Good day, everyone, and good day, Mr. Ponteos. I am Baby Ores Cortez of 3rd year BS Math student, Section A, and this is my recitation in actuarial mathematics. For the question, we have f of x is equal to the mu of x times e raised to the negative of cumulative hazard function of x, where f of x is the probability density function of x and a random lifetime variable x, and mu of x is the mortality rate function or the hazard rate, and lastly the lambda of x is the cumulative hazard function. The purpose of this video is to answer and make sure that the question is answered thoroughly, and to make sure that I have learned a thing or two about actuarial mathematics. So, the problem can be broken down into three small parts. First, f of x is the probability density function of a random lifetime variable x. Next, the mu of x is the hazard rate or force of mortality at age x. And lastly, the lambda of x is the cumulative hazard function of x. So for the solution, we first have to understand survival function. S of x is equal to the probability of random variable x is greater than x. So it means that the probability of a random variable x survives beyond time x. For example, we have S of 3 is equal to 0.8. Then there's an 80% chance that the subject survives past time of 3. So, we know that f of x is equal to the negative of derivative of sx, and we know that mu of x is equal to f of x over s of x. We can rewrite mu of x from mu of x is equal to the negative derivative of ln of s of x, then it will equal to derivative of ln of s of x is equal to negative of mu of x. Then we have to integrate both sides. Ln of s of x is equal to the negative of integral of mu of t dt from 0 to x is equal to the negative lambda of t. Then we have to exponentiate both sides, then it is equal to s of x is equal to e raised to negative lambda of x. So for the final step, we have to derive f of x from the formula of mu of x. Then f of x is equal to mu of x times s of x. Since we know from the early solution that s of x is also equal to e raised to negative lambda of x, then we can substitute it. Then we know that f of x is equal to mu of x times e raised to negative lambda of x. So for the summary, we have survival function or s of x is equal to probability of a random variable x survives beyond time x. Hazard function or mu of x is equal to f of x over s of x wherein f of x is the probability density function and s of x is the survival function. Next, cumulative hazard, which is lambda of x is equal to integral of mu of t dt from 0 to x. Then we have the final result. F of x is equal to mu of x times e raised to negative lambda of x. So we have proved that f of x is equal to mu of x times e raised to negative lambda of x. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learn a thing or two about this video. Bye bye.